This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pender. Bayfront living at its best. Fabulous 3-bedroom unit with gorgeous bay views from living area and balcony. Wonderful bright and open floor plan with sun-filled rooms, beautiful hardwood floors, gas fireplace, freshly painted and tankless water heater. 2-car garage, gated community, swimming pool, fitness center and spacious clubhouse with private beach access. Maximum 2 dogs under 40 pounds each. For more information, review the details below.